Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access Google section. Now click on your Google account if you have more than one to set up the preferable one. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally this blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, my switcher is gray and all of those options are disabled. That means that Google Autofill is off, but you can always switch it back on by choosing the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!